first ride with the McCruise cruise control kit on a KTM 690 next. Well, look at that. Cruise control on a 690. We're going to set it at about 28 miles an hour. We're going up a slight hill. And you can hear the engine RPMs increase to keep the speed consistent. Alright, so now we're going to start going down the back side of the hill. You can hear it coasting. Alright, now we're getting ready to go up another slight incline. It's a little steeper than the last one we just did. Again, you can hear the RPMs of the motor picking up to maintain the proper speed. Applying either the front or rear brake as well as hitting the on-off button will both cancel the cruise control, turning it off, giving you full control of the throttle. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to accelerate using the accelerate button on the cruise control. Decel a little bit. Works good. Okay, our next test, what we're going to do is we're going to set it at approximately 40 miles per hour. And then we're going to run it up to about 50 miles per hour and let it coast down to see if it'll work. Go, we're going to take her up to 50 miles an hour. We're coasting. And there we go. And here the RPMs pick up to maintain that 40 mile per hour preset speed. All in all, guys, this thing rocks. It works. It is legit. I'll be doing more in-depth review of it. Look for the installation video as it's in the works right now. We're going to go ahead and we're going to swap bikes with Jeff.
No! You want to ride it? Go ahead and spin around and we'll head back. Oh, yeah?
The question is, will Jeff like it? If you guys haven't, please hit that subscribe button, which is the logo down in the bottom right corner of your screen. I want to say thank you for watching, and please, if you haven't had a chance yet, also hit that bell so you get future notifications. We got a lot of cool videos coming up, including the installation of this cruise control.
What's the verdict?
I want cruise control.